On Deluxe payment platform, you can create an online form using templates or just start from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you the different components of a form editor and what it takes to build an online form from scratch. So when you get started with an online form, either from scratch or from a template, you are first given the form settings prompt. Over here, you can give your form an internal name and description, and then you can select a merchant account. You need to select a merchant account only if you have more than one merchant account. Otherwise, your merchant account is default selected on each online form. And finally, you can select if you want to host the form on our site, that is Deluxe Payment Platform, or if you want to embed the form on your site. The form editor goes in three steps. You first build the form, you then style it, and then you finally review the form. The form builder is where you add all the input fields that you need to collect information on your online form. So you can start selecting from all the subsections on the left menu. You can add the contact fields, you can add payment fields. And to add a field, you just need to drag and drop them or just click on them and they are automatically added if they are not already added to your form. Each input field also has its own custom setting that can be customized to your needs. For example, in the amount field, you can add pre-filled amounts that your donors can just click on and add a donation to the online form. Once you're done building the form, you can then go to styling the form. Under the style section, you have the option to customize the style, font, and the color of all the sections available in the form. Starting from the form header to the form footer, you can customize each section header. You can customize all of the form fields and the customer entry options as well. And you can customize the submit button as well. And finally, if you want to customize it further, you can always add custom CSS to the form and custom HTML to the form. Once you're done styling the form, we'll go to the review section. In the review section, you can recap all the information about the form, and it is most important to check the form status. A form needs to be activated in order to be available for sharing with your customers or donors or to be embedded on your website. To activate the form, you can go back to Style or Build section and access the Form Actions section. Once you're done activating the form, you can hit Submit and your form should be ready to be shared. To find the sharing settings, you can go back to the Form Settings section and find the link to share your form or copy the QR code or send it as an email to someone. If you want to embed the form, you can again go back to the form settings and find the script to embed on your HTML code over here in the form settings.